Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to today's video. Today's video was inspired by me and my feelings. Honey, I am thirsty for a date night. It's football season. We are a football family. I have a cheerleader, I have a football player, a college football player, and honey, my anniversary is during football season. Smack dab at the beginning of football season. I don't know what I was thinking. So I still have not celebrated my anniversary, but football season is coming to an end for my son, but I'm not sure about my daughter because they're in the playoffs. But honey, when football season is over, I am finally going to get to celebrate my anniversary. But I'm planning ahead. I'm thinking ahead. I would like to go to a very nice, elegant restaurant, and I'm going to need your help. So what I've done in this video today is I've put together some date night outfits. Keep in mind, nice restaurant. I don't know which one yet. I'm not sure, but I need you to help me out with the outfit because I like everything. I'm looking in my closet. I'm thinking, okay, I'm not going to order anything. I'm not purchasing anything. Let me just put some looks together, but I need you to help me out. So at the end of the video, I want you to leave a comment and let me know which outfit you think I need to wear. And I'm going to take a mental vote. And honey, I am going to rock that outfit. So before we get all the way into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click your notification bell, honey, because I don't want you to miss anything. I want you to be in the know as to when I'm dropping a video, because I'm telling you, you subscribe, you're going to love it here. All right. So I don't want to keep yapping. So let me get into it. This is outfit number 1. Remember, keep in mind, all of these pieces are old, so you probably can't get them anymore. This jumpsuit is from it's from Fashion Nova, but this jumpsuit is old. And when I say old, I'm talking at least 4 or 5 years old. I've never worn it. It's been in my closet. I actually featured it in a New Year's Eve video that I did years ago, but I never wore it. So I pulled it out today because I actually want to wear it. I paired it with this mesh see-through skirt because, honey, it's an all-in-one and the body is just not doing what it used to do. And I'm camouflaging some things because y'all know I told y'all my midsection. That's my problem area. And in an all-in-one that's red, it shows everything. So, and I just made it into a look that works for me. And this is the back, wide belt, black and gold accessories, and I will wear this handbag with it. This is outfit number 1. Outfit number 2. What do you think? Super cute leopard dress. I actually got her from the TikTok shop, but it was months ago, so I don't even know if she's still available. She is my favorite bodycon style. And honey, I just love this dress. And this would be the handbag. You know I had to pop some color. My color, green, my birthday color. This is look number 2, outfit number 2. Outfit number 3. Now, I can let y'all know now, this one will not make it. This one I will not wear. Of course, I don't have on the proper foundation, but honey, it is just like pronouncing my problem area. But I love the dress. Maybe with a different body shaper on underneath, it'll be okay. I have on a little shaper, but it's just a little something for the video. This is not what I actually wear up under my dresses. This is the back. I love this dress. I love the bell sleeves. This dress came from TikTok shop months ago, and I found it. I will have it linked in the description box. And I paired her with boots. just in case it's cool, not cold, but you know, just a little cool because it's long sleeve. Now it's moderately see-through, but again, with the proper undergarments, it'll be just fine. I don't mind if the bra show a little bit, but I don't want anything else showing. So I make sure I have on the right shaper underneath this dress if I were to wear her, but I highly doubt this one will even be worn for date night. Well, for this date night, I don't like this. I need a tummy tuck. Oh, my handbag. This is the handbag I would wear. Chocolate brown against the orange. This is outfit number 3. Outfit number 4. Super cute dress. This is a sweater dress. Oh, look at the back. See the split in the back? This is a sweater dress that I got from Fashion Nova years ago. This dress is actually heavy. It's a little thick. I just fell in love with it and I've never worn it and been having it for years. I paired it with the boots. I've never actually worn these boots out. These are the boots. I bought them when I was doing my content for The Boutique. That was like maybe 2 years ago and I've never worn them. So this is a brand new outfit that I've been having for a while. Oh, and the handbag. This is the handbag I would wear with it.
That's that real shit.
Remember to let me know at the end which look I should wear for my date night. Outfit number 5.
Keep going. That's the
super cute jumpsuit. I was gifted this jumpsuit by my cousin for my birthday like maybe 2 years ago, maybe even 3. Never worn it. So another one that I pulled out the closet and I'm like, you know what? I need to wear this. Now the only thing I don't like about it, I don't like this belt. So I think I might switch it out because it's a little thin belt. And honey, I got a whole lot going on. So it's like, it's not staying. It's not doing what it needs to do. I don't know. What you think? Come a little bit closer so you can see. Now, I don't have on the proper body shaper underneath, but when I wear her, best believe I will have on the proper undergarments, so everything will be smooth, held in, and honey, I will rock her.
That's that thick.
Baby, this one right here changed my whole attitude. So, let me show you the handbag I would wear. This is my handbag.
Ooh, that's that strawberry, that's that grape and cherry.
Now, that was 5 looks. This is outfit number 5. So in the comments, I need you to let me know outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3, outfit 4, outfit 5, whichever one. Okay, girl? All right. Now, girl, if you done made it here, that means you made it to the end, and I appreciate you for rocking with me today. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, leave me a comment, click your notification bell, honey, so you will always know when I drop a video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend all about The Boutique Baddie's YouTube channel. And girl, I will see you same place, same channel in the next video. Adios.